Our report is chapter 9 and it's all about violence towards self and others. Violence is a violent behavior that is intended to hurt or kill somebody, or we can call it crime. So going back to the title of our report, violence towards self and others, it, it just simply means that we can do or make crimes or violent acts against others or in ourselves as well. Now we are here to discuss some of it. Prostitution, it is defined as the act of engaging in a sexual activity in exchange of money or goods. We all know that nowadays prostitution really exists, and one of the major reasons why people engage with it is poverty. Due to desperation, people prepare to what we call kapit sa patalim. Despite of knowing that having sex with different people is very risky, they are willing to take a risk just to have money. Prostitutes, they are the person who engage in the activity, or we call them also GRO, pokpok, or kalapating mababa ang lipad. Next is the sex trade. Let's explain first the title. When we hear the phrase, the sex trade simply means pakikipagkalakalan from the word trade, but not product, food, or whatever, but the sex instead. Very immoral because they are exchanging or selling their dignity, their self in just small amounts. They are willing to lose their dignity just for the money. This sex trade is really a form of exploitation to humans, most especially women, because it is really an immoral act to give your dignity or virginity for money, and for those who vanish should be. The next one is human trafficking and sexual slavery. We all know that lahat ng sobra ay masama. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng pang-uubuso masama o bawal din. Like human trafficking, this is the act of abusing humans or animals. It is very common to the OFW who falls into believing promises for a better life. Pero pagdating naman sa ibang bansa, nandiyan na yung hindi kaya pakakainin, pagtatrabahuin ng sobra-sobra, sasaktan ka o kaya ikukulong ka. Pero ang masakla pa dun, hindi ka pa suspenduhin. Sexual slavery naman is abusing sexually. Dito na yung binababoy ka na, you are employed into a bar by the traffickers who promise a better life. Pero pagkatapos mo silang pagkatiwalaan, ganun lang pala mangyayari. Magiging prostitute ka, and the worst is your passport is confiscated, so hindi ka makakauwi. So all you have to do is magtiis. The next one is prostitute of children. Same with prostitution. The major reason behind this is poverty. So kahit yung mga magulang, they are pushing their children to go or to work on a bar as a prostitute for the exchange of money. Minsan, para matustusan yung pang-sugal ng magulang o pang-inom ng alak. Yan yung dahilan kung bakit pinapasok nila yung mga anak nila sa ganong uri ng trabaho. Life is very hard nowadays. We need a lot of determination to earn money for our needs and our wants. But it is not right to do a violent action that can affect ourselves or even others. So as long as we can, do not deal with those violent actions. And that ends my report.
Let us proceed the possible cause of addiction. One of the typical causes of drug addiction is inability to cope crisis. Thus, the disappointment, feelings of rejection, loneliness, and failure frequently lead to physical and emotional symptoms. The Harris analysis, what is the presence of 5 factors on their own constitute? Here is the 5 constitutes. First, availability of inductive substance. Second, money to acquire the substance. Third, the time used the substance. The fourth is example of used substance in immediate environment. The fifth, permissive ideology in relation to use of the substance. History of addiction, the phenomenon of drugs addiction and has occurred to some degree throughout recorded history. Modern agricultural practice, improvements in access to drugs, advancement in biochemistry and dramatic increase, the recommendation of drugs, usage by clinical practitioners have exacerbated the problem significantly in the 20th century. Murder. Murder is the offense of killing a human being with malice, preference, or afford through express or implied intention in unlawful homicide. Mitigating circumstance. There are the fact that while not negating in defense or wrongful action, to tend show that the defendant may have and had some grounds for acting the way he and she did.
Drug addiction is a psychopatological condition. This disorder, also known as substance abuse, involves progression of acute drug use through development of drugs with behavior, the possibility to relax, and the decreased slow ability to respond to naturally rewarding
countries, the defense of provocation is not accepted as mitigation for rape. Rape victims are blamed when they receive the attack, labor in the encounter rather than the leader, which seems to suggest the stereotype that these women are engaging in taking resistance or leading the man, and because they have gone along with the sexual experience that far. Finally, rape victims are blamed more when they are raped by an acquaintance or a date rather than by a stranger, which seems to evoke the stereotype that victims really want to have sex because they have their attack and perhaps even went out on a date for free. The underlying message of this research